Yeah, my name is Edward Willis. I have spent many years in London working in the finance sector, consulting in IT. We came to Spain about 7 or 8 years ago now and made our home here in Malaga. The project is for one of the world's premier hedge funds. My team is producing an AI-powered platform to better inform the investment decision-making process. It's a small development team of highly energized, multi-skilled developers, iterating and continuously delivering new features with the involvement of our user community, who are highly sophisticated investment analysts. There's a strong emphasis on core Python, clearly, including things like the concurrency model, scalability, writing robust code and creating minimal and maintainable solutions. Any experience working with AI, large language models, retrieval augmented generation, agentic AI tools such as LangChain, and also AI-assisted coding are extremely useful and valued on this particular project. For this client, I had 3 interviews and a coding challenge. What I found the hardest to answer was a question around where I had been wrong in the past, and how I dealt with it, and how I reflected on that and improved my understanding of a particular area. So that was a tough question. So I really like the feeling of being part of a team. It's a really great mix of people, very, very professional, but at the same time very, very good to work with on a personal level. I really enjoy having the backup and the resources of a large company behind me. It enables me to focus on delivering good outcomes for the clients and improving my knowledge. It's very different in a positive way.